You guys, what is up? It is I, the Concrete Catwalk. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. I love all things fresh, vintage, new, nearly new estate selling, you name it. I love it. My Catwalkers, welcome back to a new video this Sunday. Those of you who are newly subscribed, thank you so much for coming along together on this journey. You guys, I am at 502 subscribers. I thank you guys so much for wanting to tune in every Sunday. I am so thankful that you guys enjoy the content. If there's anything that you are interested in, if you see something in the background and you've got questions about it, ask away and we can talk about it. So you guys, I have a couple of run, don't walk, and it is 3 things in particular that I want to share with you, and I'm going to strongly suggest that you run and don't walk to go get these things. And then the other half of this is going to be a discussion. Now, you guys, you know, if there is something that I overhear and I get triggered by, I usually like to share it with you guys. Okay, so I'm not going to hold this up. Before we even get into that, I want to show you some things. Let me just set this up. So I'm sure you guys are very well aware that Balletcore is in full effect. Ballet flats have been on the scene now for, I would say, about 2 seasons, but they are really coming in full on strong. And at the forefront, you know it, is Prada. Prada has a pink ballet flat that is out of this world, and I will post up here or here so that you can see the picture of said pink ballet flat. And that flat is giving so much fever. However, if you do not want to part ways with $950 plus tax, $1,000 for some ballet flats, and you want to go down the road of Balletcore, you do this. All right, if you have a Five Below near you, I'm going to suggest that you run. You run. You put fire behind. You put fire. You run. You run to get these. These $5 ballet flats from Five Below are everything. Everything. When I tell you everything, I try these on. These run a little big. I typically am a 7.5 to an 8. I got these in a size 7. These are diabolically that good. Please go get these. Go get these. I saw these initially online and they were sold out. The pink is sold out online. The blue satin version of these is sold out online. The black is almost sold out online. These pink ones, these pink ballet flats for $5 and Five Below look amazing. You will not go wrong with these. So, because those pink ballet flats were that good, I was thinking in my mind, should I get a backup pair? Should I get another color? And I was on the fence about, should I get another pair in the pink? Should I get a pair in blue? Should I get a pair in black? I decided to pick up a second pair of these in the traditional black satin. And my thought process was, the pink ballet flats are not something you're going to wear all the time. They are that pop when you need that particular pop. The black is a staple. They just look that good. And when I tried them on, I was like, look, I'm going to get these. I would suggest if you go to Five Below and you see these in the black, hands down, get these for $10, okay? This is money well spent and you're not gonna go wrong with these in your wardrobe. Okay, let's just keep this moving. With Run, Don't Walk, I am sure many of you have a Birkenstock or a dad sandal where it looks good when it's balanced with socks. Let me tell you something. If you are in the Dollartree and you come across these socks are called Snugadoos, okay? If you come across these, you know what vibe these are giving. Chanel tweed vibe. Listen, you know this. For $1, I am going to pair these with my Chanel dad sandals. You know it. run, don't walk to your Dollartree to see if you can find these, because you guys, I don't know what it is all of a sudden, but between Five Below, the Dollartree, look, they are ringing all the bells and hitting all of the bases. Now, okay, that brings me to, I love to go places, I love to look around, and of course when you're out and about, it's people out and about, and topics of conversations and everything come up, and you're not ear hustling, you just happen to be in the vicinity, and people start having conversations. All right, I'm out and I'm doing my thing, and I hear this whole dialogue, and mind you, it's always women, and it's no disrespect. We talk, we're social, we like to talk. But I think sometimes some topics that come up, they trigger you and you begin to think about things in earnest. There were two ladies who happened to be out and about. One said woman had a very finite, clear-cut, defined style to her. You could just tell. She just had it. If you get it, you get it. She's one of those people that had it and could interpret it and make it make sense. The other half, her friend, she had a style to her, but not to the essence of what her good Judy, her good friend, had. Herein where the dialogue begins to go down. So they're both looking around, they're looking at clothes on the rack. Stylish friend, I'll say stylish friend, pulled something that would look phenomenal for her. And then other friend, kind of stylish friend, pulls the same thing and says, you know, I want to be able to look like you do. I want to be able to put it together the way you can put it together. All right, okay, look, let's stop. The conversations with people always take me on a self trip. This one was it. This got me in the mindset of just thinking about how style and taste and the way things get put together by certain individuals is so individual and personal. How could she even say that? I think a lot of times people don't put the emphasis on trying to develop what it is that works best for them. Trying to be like that girl, that person. Oh, she does this, they do that, I want to do that. It's sometimes everything is not for everybody. I am a firm believer in that. They have the ability to make something make sense and interpret whatever style that they're going after specifically to them and not cater it around what somebody else is dressing like. Do we all get influenced by things that we see? We absolutely do. Do we all look and see, said, whatever it may be, bag, this, that? We think if we get that, it's gonna make us like, or it's gonna put, sure we do. In the end, the reality check comes in where you have to really sit down with yourself and figure out what it is that works best for you. I came across this quote by the multi-talented, God rest her soul, Judy Garland. It was a quote that just kind of hit me, and I'm gonna just read it to you, and I'll put it down here so you can see it. She says, quote, always be a first-rate version of yourself and not a second-rate version of someone else. My God, you guys, that quote right there, I think speaks volumes about what it is that I overheard. And I think it is a strong dose of reality about we as women, we always get caught up in what another person is doing. The most important thing is to get caught up in what it is you are doing for yourself as an individual. What I am finding out for myself, and I'll speak to myself, is as I've gotten older, the less I begin to care about what is happening with another person or what they're wearing and where they're driving, the better for me. The focus has to be on your development. What works for you, what doesn't work for you, what you like, what you don't like, because therein lies the style. And I think that that's the boat that so many of us miss. You guys, let me know in the comments below your thoughts about being the best version of yourself and not an imitation of someone. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below about how you feel and what it is that you've gone through to evolve into your own individualized style and not care about what somebody else is doing. Let me know about the ballet shoes that I showed you from Vibe below and the socks from the Dollartree. Run, don't walk, and get those things and make them work for you. If you do not want to miss out on anything that I post, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Sunday. If you do not want to miss out, tap that and you'll receive notifications each time I post a new video. Links to my socials will be in the description box below. Head on over to Poshmark. I am Concrete Catwalk on Poshmark. If you see anything in my closet that you may be interested in, feel free to message me there or head on over to IG. I am the Catwalks Concrete on IG. You can also leave a DM message for me there as well. Thank you so much for stopping by this week. Be safe. See you all next Sunday. Bye for now.